Question number 9. The daily wages in rupees of 19 workers are 41, 21, 38, 27, 31, 45, 23, 26, 29, 30, 28, 25, 35, 42, 47, 53, 29, 31 and 35. Find the median. Arranging in ascending order. Smallest number is 21. First 21, then 23 and 20, 25. $26. $27. Then 28. 29. 29. 2 times 29. 30. 31. 31. 2 times 31. And 35. 35. $38. 41. 42. 45. Then 47 and 53. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. N is equal to 90, which is odd. First part is median. If n is odd, then median is n plus 1 upon 2, which implies 19 plus 1 upon 2 equal to 20 upon 2. That is 10th item, 10th number. Median equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 31 answer. And second part, that is lower quartile. Q1 equal to, in case of odd, n plus 1 upon 4, which implies 19 plus 1 upon 4 equal to 20 upon 4. Fifth number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So Q1 equal to 27. Answer. Third, upper quartile, that is Q3 equal to 3 times of n plus 1 upon 4, which implies 3 into 19 plus 1, that is 20 upon 4. 4 5s are 20 and 5 3s are 15th. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15th number is Q3 is equal to 41. Answer. And fourth, inter quartile, that is equal to Q3 minus Q1, implies Q3 is 41 minus Q1 is 27, that is equal to 14. Answer. Interquartile is equal to Q3 minus Q1, 41 minus 27 equal to 14. Answer. First of all, we are arranging in given data ascending order, that is 21, 23, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 29, 30, 31, 31, 35, 35, 38, 41, 42, 45, 47 and 53. Total number is equal to 19, which is odd. So median equal to n plus 1 upon 2, 19 plus 1 upon 2, 20 upon 2, that is 10th. 10th number is here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, that is equal to 31. So median is equal to 31. Answer. And lower quartile, that is Q1, in case of odd, if n is odd number, then Q1 equal to n plus 1 upon 4, that is 19 plus 1 upon 4 is 20 upon 4. Fifth number, and fifth number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that is equal to 27. So Q1 equal to 27. Answer. And upper quartile Q3 equal to 3 times of n plus 1 upon 4, 3 into n plus 1, 20, 20 upon 4, that is equal to 5 4s are 20 and 5 3s are 15th. 15th number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, that is equal to 41. So Q3 is equal to 41. Answer. And last, that is interquartile equal to difference of upper quartile minus lower quartile, that is Q3 minus Q1. Q3 is 41 and Q1 is 27. So 41 minus 27 equal to 14. Answer. Question number 10. From the following frequency distribution, find the median, lower quartile, upper quartile, interquartile range. Variate 15, 18, 20, 22, 25, 27 and 30. Frequency 4, 6, 8, 9, 7, 8, 6. Cumulative frequency 4 plus 6, 10 plus 8, 18 plus 9, 27 plus 7, 34 plus 8, 42 plus 6, 48. So n is equal to 48. Even. First median, that is equal to n by 2 plus n by 2 plus 1 term divided by 2, which implies 48 upon 2, 24 plus 48 upon 2 plus 1 term divided by 2, that is equal to 24 plus 25. 24 plus 25 lies in cumulative frequency 27. So median equal to 22 plus 22 upon 2, which implies 44 upon 2 equal to 22. Answer. And second part, lower quartile, Q1 equal to n by 4, which implies 48 upon 4 equal to 1, 2, 12, and 12 lies in 18. So Q1 is equal to 12 lies in cumulative frequency 18. So Q1 equal to 20. Answer. And third part, upper quartile, that is equal to Q3 equal to 3 n upon 4, which implies 3 into 48 upon 4. 12 3s are 36, and 36 lies in 42. So Q3 upper quartile, that is Q3 equal to 27. Answer. And fourth part is interquartile range equal to Q3 minus Q1, that is 27 minus 20, which implies 7. Answer. Given variate 15, 18, 20, 22, 25, 27 and 30, frequencies 4, 6, 8, 9, 7, 8, 6. Cumulative frequency 4 as it is, 4 plus 6 is 10, plus 8 is 18, plus 9 is 27, plus 7 is 34, plus 8 is 42, plus 6 is 48. So n is equal to 48, which is even. And median equal to n by 2 plus n by 2 plus 1th term divided by 2. 48 upon 2 is 24. 48 upon 2 plus 1 is 25. So 24 plus 25 lies in cumulative frequency, that is 27. So directly median equal to 22 plus 22 upon 2, that is 44 upon 2 equal to 22. So median is equal to 22 answer. And lower quartile, that is Q1 equal to n by 4. N is 48 and 48 upon 4 is 12. So 12 lies in cumulative frequency, that is in 18. So directly Q1 equal to 20. And similarly upper quartile Q3 equal to 3n upon 4. 3 into 48 upon 4 is 12 and 12 3s are 36. 36 lies in cumulative frequency, that is in 42. So directly we get Q3 equal to 27. And interquartile range, that is Q3 minus Q1, and Q3 is 27 minus Q1 is 20, and their difference is 7. So interquartile range equal to 7 answer. Thank you.